Good morning kids and welcome back to your math class. So today I will send you a PDF of the worksheet, and that PDF you all take a print and you can solve that. Okay kids, I hope so that all PDF file I have sent you before. If not, once again I will send you all, and you take a print or a copy of it and you can solve that worksheets. So kids, yesterday after leaving the live class, I have sent you the 3 problems to solve the subtraction on number line, backward counting. Yes or no? I have sent you in yesterday's class. So today what we will do, here you can see that how you can solve the subtraction sums. First you all add ones place values. 4 plus, first this one I will explain you. Question A, represent the subtractions as tens and ones, then find the difference one has been done for you. First you both these you totally how much they will give, that all you don't draw, only draw a bigger number ones will be there, no, that you draw, bigger number tens you draw. First given number, what the first given number will be there, no, that you should draw here. Okay, the given number this, and this is subtractant, subtractant. Now what you have to draw here, first this is the 6, so draw 6 ones, 2 tens. From this you are going to minus, make a minus, subtraction, less. Okay, to that what you do, 2 ones, from 6 2 ones you have to cancel, 2 ones you have to cancel. What is remaining ones here? 1 2 3 4 ones are remaining here, that 4 ones you write it here. Now tens, 2 tens, from 2 tens you are going to subtract 1 10, so cancel 1 10, you cancel 1 10. What is remaining? Only 1 10 is remaining. 1 10, 4 ones. Now B, 34 minus 11. 34 is the bigger given number, so that you write here. 3 tens, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, and how many ones? 4 ones. From this, now what you can do here, from 4 ones you cancel 1 1 and count remaining 1 2 3. What is remaining? 3 ones are remaining. 3 tens you have to minus, subtract only 1 10, so cancel 1 10, 1 2 tens. Answer is 23. Answer is 23. Now C, tens ones, 57 minus 24. 5 tens, you draw here 5 tens. 1 2 3 4 5 tens, 7 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now what you can do here, from here 5 tens and 7 ones, from 7 you subtract 4. 1 2 3 4. What is remaining? 3 ones are remaining. 5 tens. From 5 tens you have to subtract 2. 1, 2. 2 tens. What's are remaining? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens are remaining. So after making a subtraction, 57 minus 24, answer is 33. Answer is 33. So that what you have to tell, what you are the answer you will get, that is what you have to tell, that is difference. That is difference. Now here 67 minus 34. 67, 6 tens. Draw 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 6 tens and 5 7 ones. From that you have to minus 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is remaining here? 2 ones are remaining. And tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. How many are there? 6 tens. 3. Okay. 3 ones minus 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens are remaining and 2 ones are remaining. After subtracting 67 minus 35, answer is 32. After subtracting 35 from 67. Okay, we got the answer is isn't it? And one thing I will explain you. Remember this. Okay. First, always you have to subtract once. Always, whenever you will add, you have to add from once. Whenever you will subtract, you have to subtract from once. Subtract always first once column. Then second step to subtract from tens. And when you will subtract once, what you will get that answer, what you will get that difference, that answer you have to write in which place? Ones place. Okay. And when you will solve or find the difference in the tens place, that answer you can write in which place? In tens place. So after finding the tens place and ones place difference, you will get the both answers here, both difference. When we add, after adding we get the answer. That answer what it is called? Sum. And when we subtract, when we make minus, when we make a minus, that time what it will call? Difference. Okay, it is called difference. So now you have studied today the subtraction without borrowing. Okay kids, what is borrowing and how we should borrow, all I will tell you in our next period. So till that, we take care, have a nice day. We will meet in our next class. Bye kids.